Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to compress a PDF file. Sometimes our PDF documents may end up being bigger than we expected. Adobe offers a free web PDF compressor tool. Follow the link in the description and click Select a file. Find your file and click Choose for Upload. Wait for the upload to complete and select the amount of compression that you need. Click Compress. Wait for it to be done and click Download. Confirm if asked. It's seriously that simple to do. What other PDF-related tutorials do you want us to make? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.